102 seats here behind me in the Lok Sabha will be covered by voters in phase 1 of the Lok Sabha battle. It's a battle for prestige in many seats. It's a big power battle that could go any way in many others. So we're going to be talking about all the key seats to watch out for. But yes, as the clock strikes 7:03 this morning, voting has officially kicked off. The Election Commission had said that 7 a.m. dot is when voting will begin. We're already seeing people gathering at some of the prominent polling booths across the country. 102 seats across 21 states and union territories in the fray. You can see these images are on your screens. On the right from Salem is Edappadi Palaniswamy of the AIADMK casting his vote. On the left, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat there. Remember that Nagpur in Maharashtra also polls in phase 1, which is going to be a big battle considering Nitin Gadkari has been fielded there. So these are all images that we're getting to you right now. Our leaders leading right now from the front by coming out early in the morning to vote. Let's cut across to Mohan Bhagwat. The RSS chief there, Mohan Bhagwat, showing off his inked finger, one of the first few to come out and cast his vote. Great to see these images because it also sends out a message to every single voter out there to step out early in the morning before the summer heat really kicks in to go ahead and cast your vote. On the right of your screens, images from Salem in Tamil Nadu, where you have Edappadi Palaniswamy, former Chief Minister, AIADMK boss, who is in fact casting his vote in Salem.
मतलब हम पूरे देश का निर्धारित करते हैं एक तरह और इसलिए सब लोगों ने मतदान करना चाहिए। इसको ध्यान में रखकर अपना विचार स्वयं करके मतदान करना चाहिए और इसलिए आज सबसे पहला कार्य मैंने ये किया है कि मैंने मतदान किया। धन्यवाद।
And there you have RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat soon after casting his vote in Nagpur, urging everyone to come out and exercise their franchise. From now right up until 6 p.m, all of you who fall under phase 1 of polling, step out, go out there, ensure that you exercise your fundamental right, ensure that you make your voice heard in this festival of democracy. Let's continue getting you all the images right now coming in of political leaders, of influencers, of bigwigs coming out to cast their vote. Remember that in Tamil Nadu, you're seeing all 39 seats are going to polls today. So the entire state right now is polling. It's officially kicked off at 7 this morning. Any of you who've been to Tamil Nadu know that everyone there rises early. It's a state of early risers. So hopefully we will see, in fact, queues lining up early in the morning. Tamil Nadu has always had a good, healthy voter turnout, and this time too, hopefully that will be the case. So let's in fact get you all the latest of what really you need to look out for in this phase 1 of election.